Hi, this is Shannon, and this is my sous chef. We're from SeriouslyGoodCooking.com, and tonight we are going to make spaghetti and meatballs. I love this dish, one, because we are a pasta family, but two, it's really great to be able to make an entire sauce in one kettle and not have a huge amount of dishes afterwards. So, are you ready? We've already got all of our ingredients together and we're going to get started. In other news, you might have noticed that I did go ahead and launch the site, SeriouslyGoodCooking.com, and I'm really excited about it. I think it looks really great. I put it up on WordPress and I'm using a theme called Structure, and it's a really great theme that focuses on video, so it was really appropriate for the site. I also included a plugin today that lets you rate recipes and posts. So please get onto the site, let me know what you think. Go ahead and rate the posts, rate the recipes, and write in and tell us what you'd like to see us cook. Alright, tonight, Jules, are you ready for your wine? No, I'm just kidding. Tonight we're going to be drinking Cabernet, and we'll probably include some of it in the sauce as well. So I'm going to get started. You ready? Okay, thanks. We'll be right back.